This video belongs to relaxingend channel, so all credits goes to him. Hey guys, today we have Xiaomi's new flagship smartphone, Xiaomi 13 Pro. So without any delay, let's unbox this phone. In the box we get this high-quality transparent phone case, USB to USB-C cable, 120-watt super fast charger, slightly faster than iPhone, and our new Xiaomi 13 Pro. Let's talk about phone specs. Phone comes with Leica professional optical lens, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 processor and an WQHD Plus dynamic 120Hz AMOLED display. Let's do some gaming, but before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. Genshin Impact, highest graphic settings plus 60 FPS. Game running very smooth, thanks to power off, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 processor. I am not find any kind of lags or frame drop during gaming.
Today, you witness your reckoning! Upon the game.
Let's try some wishes. Didn't pay money for this. Let's try one more time. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.